This trick takes card magic to the next level. It's fast, easy, and will leave your spectators speechless. This is the card trick that's not possible. The magician deals out 8 cards, 4 sevens and 4 kings. He turns over both piles and squares them up. After that, he then snaps his fingers and asks the spectator to guess if the kings are on the left or right hand pile. The spectator points to the left pile. The magician picks them up and turns them over, confirming that the spectator was correct. The magician then shows that in the other pile were 4 sevens. He displays them fairly and openly. He then deals all 4 sevens down and places them onto the table. He does the same with the kings. The magician takes the kings for himself and gives the spectator the sevens. He tells the spectator that in a moment he's going to try and switch the cards by taking his kings and replacing them with the spectator's sevens. The magician counts down from 3 and snaps his fingers. Now the magician has the spectator's sevens, and the spectator has the magician's kings. The cards have switched places. This trick requires 4 sevens and 4 kings. Put the sevens face down in your hand and use the kings to fairly turn them over so the spectator knows that the sevens are actually there. Turn the sevens face down again. Once they're face down, use your first finger to bevel the bottom card as shown. Apply pressure to the corner of the card and it will pop separate from the rest of the deck. Place your little finger into this break. This will allow you to lever the cards up and down as shown. That is the only move required for this trick. As you show the kings to the spectator, use the cover of the cards to lever the sevens up and onto the kings. It will look as if you're just placing the kings onto the top of the deck, but in reality, 3 of the sevens will be on top of them. This can be performed smoothly and almost invisibly if you cover the move with the cards. From here the trick just works. Count off the top 4 cards, which in this case look like 4 sevens, when in reality there is only 1 7 and 3 kings. Explain to the spectator that you're going to switch the piles and demonstrate this by moving the bottom card from each pile onto the other one. Then snap your fingers and reveal that all the cards have already switched places.